Dear children, welcome to chapter number systems. In our previous session, we studied about rational numbers. Today in this session, we will study about irrational numbers and also let us study the nature of decimal expansion of rational numbers. Irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Numbers which cannot be written in P by Q form are called irrational numbers. Now write down in your notebook irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be written in P by Q form where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are known as irrational numbers. And it is denoted by IR. Some examples for irrational numbers: square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, pi value, etc. Do you know the value of square root of 2? Yes, its a decimal expansion is equal to 1.41421356 on and on forever. We can't write its end digit value or accurate value. We can write only its approximate value, right? Similarly, do you know the value of pi? Yes, pi is equal to 3.1415926 on and on forever. So here also it is non-terminating and non-repeating. It has no fixed or accurate value. It has only approximate value. See here, one question arises. Even though pi is an irrational number, then why do we write it in fractional form or p by q form? That is, value of pi is equal to 22 by 7, right? Why do we write it in fractional form? 22 by 7. See, 22 pi by 7 is an approximate fractional representation of pi. It is close to pi but not exact value. Remember, this is only the approximate value. It is not the accurate value. Remember? Yes. Next, let us see what are real numbers. Do you know real numbers? It is the collection of all rational and irrational numbers. Write down collection of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Letter capital R. Yes. So real numbers are the includes all set of numbers. Say natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and also irrational numbers. We know how to write it in subset form. Natural numbers are the subset of whole number. Again, whole numbers are the subset of integers. Integers are the subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers are the subset of real numbers. Here also irrational numbers also subset of real numbers. We can show the number systems using Venn diagram also. How can we write it in using Venn diagram? See, take this as a natural number. It is the subset of whole number. Whole number is the subset of integers. Integers is the subset of rational number, and irrational numbers also the subset of real number. So both together called all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. This is what real number. Right? Did you get this? Okay, let us move to next. You can, using colors, and draw the number system chart like this also. Right? Here numbers and the rational and irrational numbers together called real numbers. Right? This is the real number system. Now let us move to recall real numbers. What are real numbers? Yes, I already told you the real number system is made up of a set of rational and irrational numbers. It has at 5 subsets: rational numbers q, integers z, whole numbers w, natural numbers n, and also irrational numbers ir. We use capital I and small r also. Then what are the nature of decimal expansion of rational numbers? By taking some examples, we can see how are they decimal expansion of rational numbers. We know the decimal expansion of irrational numbers. They are non-terminating, non-repeating, right? Here we can see, let us see how are rational numbers decimal expansion by taking one example here. 2 divided by 5. Yes, this is the rational number, p by q form number. Now it's a decimal expansion. How can you write decimal expansion? First write the numerator divided by denominator. Yes, 5 how many times will divide by 2? By 20, 4 so 5 4 20. Here the remainder is 0. So we got accurate answer, that is exact answer. 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4. Now can you tell me the nature of this decimal expansion? Yes, it is terminating, it is ending. 0.4, no further answer you will get here. So this answer is, decimal expansion is what? This is a terminating decimal expansion. It has terminating decimal expansion. Remember, this is terminating. Now let us see one more example. 1 by 3, write in decimal expansion and find the nature of its a decimal expansion. 1 by 3, 1 divided by 3. Divide. Now 3, is it divided by 1? No. So put 0 here, 0 point. Take 0 here. 3 how many times? 9. 3 3s are 9. Yes. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Again put 0 here. Again 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Again put 0 here. 3 3s are 9. Yes, you know the answer 333. It will repeats. So answer we can write 0 point here. One number digit is repeating, 3 digit is repeating, so 3 bar, we can write it in this form also, 0.3 bar. Put a dash on over 3 bar, or 0.3333 on and on. So what type of decimal expansion is this? This is repeating. So this is repeating. In previous case it was terminating. Now it is a repeating decimal expansion, right? So any rational numbers decimal expansion we saw already. One is either terminating or it may be repeating decimal expansion. Now let us take one more example. 2 divided by 7, write in decimal expansion and find the nature of decimal expansion. 2 divided by 7. I will write 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7. Here also 0 point, put 0 here. 7 2s are 14. Subtract 20 divided minus 14 is equal to 6. Again put 0 here. 7 8s are 56. What is remaining on subtracting? 4 will be remaining. Then 47 5s are 35. 5 is remaining. Put 0 here. 7 1s are 7. What happens? 3 is remaining. 30. I will write here. Okay. 30. 7 4s are 28. What is remaining? 30 minus 28. 2 is remaining. 20. 7 2s are 14. Again subtract. 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. Put 0 again. Again 7 8s are 56. No need to move further. Yes, because we know it is repeating, just repeating. See here 60 60 60 56. Here also 60 56. It is repeating. Therefore what is the value of decimal expansion of 2 divided by 7? It is equal to 0.285714. Again 28. It is repeating, no? 285714. Again 285714. 285714. It is just repeating. So repeating terms are what? These digits are repeating. 285714. Therefore what kind of decimal expansion is this? It is repeating decimal expansion. Yes, therefore repeating. Remember, irrational numbers decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. We don't know the end of the decimal expansion of irrational numbers. It is not repeating and not terminating also. Here we can repeat the numbers 285714 like that. 285714. It is repeating, just repeating. But we can't say the irrational numbers decimal expansion. Real numbers, it is the collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers includes integers, terminating decimals and repeating decimals. And again integers, it may be whole numbers or it may be negative integers also. Next, whole numbers, it may be natural numbers or it may be zero. Here irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Children, now glance all at once. Real numbers definition. Real numbers consist all rational and irrational numbers. It includes any number that can be written as a fraction, mixed number, terminating and repeating decimals, whole numbers, integers, as well as the natural numbers also. Some examples given here. These are all real numbers. Then rational numbers. Rational numbers means terminating decimals are rational numbers that stops before or after the decimal point. Examples given here, note down. And it may be repeating decimals also. See, repeating decimals are rational numbers that repeats after the decimal point. Examples given here, note down. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers consist of numbers that are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Important. They cannot be expressed as a fraction. Remember, pi is a great example of an irrational number. Examples given here: pi square root of 47, 4.258375 on and on, square root of 2, etc. are given. Take down. Now your turn on some questions. Note down in your notebook. First question: how are the natural and whole numbers different? Yes. Presence of 0 is the difference between natural and whole numbers. Yes, second question. What is the second question? How are the integers and rational numbers different? How are they different? We can see p by q form numbers in only in rational numbers. So presence of p by q form numbers in rational numbers are the difference between integers and rational numbers. Right? Next, how are the integers and rational numbers the same? How are they same? Yes. All integers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. Write down. Example 7 is an integer as well as rational number. Write down. 7 is an integer as well as rational number. Yes, move to fourth question. What's that? How are integers and whole numbers the same? Answer is all whole numbers are integers. Can a number be both rational and irrational? Use the diagram. No. A number cannot be both rational and irrational. A number cannot be both rational and irrational. Irrational. Using a diagram. Explain. See, I will write here. This is a rational number q and irrational numbers are separate set of numbers. So they together called real numbers. So they cannot be any number. It cannot be the both rational number as well as irrational numbers, right? Now move to next question. Few more questions are given here. Answer true or false to the statements given below. If they are true, false, explain why. Question number 6. Minus 5 is a rational number. Is it true? Minus 5 is a rational number. Yes, it is true. Next question. Square root of 8 is a rational. Is it correct? Why? Why it is incorrect or false? This is number. We cannot write square root of 2. We cannot write root 8 in P by Q form. P by Q form. That is why it is an irrational number. It is not a rational number. Next, question number 8. Square root of 16 is a natural number. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Why it is true? Answer is true because square root of 16 is equal to what? 4. 4 is a natural number. Yes, it is a natural number. Next question. Yes, minus 3.2525 on and on is an integer. Is it an integer? False. Why it is false? Because this is a rational number. It is an rational number. Means it is a P by Q form number. It is a P by Q form number. Right? Rational number. Form rational number. Okay. Last question. 2.434434443 on and on is a rational number. Is it a rational number? No. Then what type of number is it? False statement. Why it is false? It is an irrational number. That means it is non-terminating, non-repeating. That is why it is irrational number. And I hope you will write the notes and be ready for the next class. Thank you.